Newcastle map. After finally gaining the new map of Nottingham Castle provided by Christian Cornish, I can finally implement it into my Unreal project. I migrated the files required as advised by Christian. I had previously removed any unnecessary textures and meshes in the world to increase the player's performance. I first opened the Start menu map. In this, I added the code I previously had in my own Start menu to ensure that it will correctly add my Start menu UI. I next opened the level containing the castle and did the same, ensuring that on entering the level it adds the GUI widget to the viewport. I then went to ensure that it opens the correct level in the project settings for the editor and player. I then inserted the player start/exit platform, and also the player start. Following this, I deleted my previous maps as these would not be needed anymore. I tested the settings menu in my new start menu and found that there were some changes needed. For examples, in the settings menu, some buttons did not enable when clicked. I opened my start menu to check the cause. My functions looked perfect, so I moved to the event graph. I found that with the shadow quality, it was instead setting the texture quality function, so I quickly swapped these out. I then created a function for the resolution and ability buttons and applied them to the event graph. Now all my setters enabled functions work correctly in the menu as well as my ability buttons to show the player which is selected.